I'm the camera crafter, and this is a lot of cameras I've got recently. But before we start, sorry I haven't uploaded anything for a while. I've been on a school trip and a camp a few days after that, so I haven't really had the time to upload anything. So let's start at this end. This is a 1970s 3M1039X. It takes 126 Instamatic film, and it's just a really simple camera, really sort of a point and shoot style thing. Now the next camera we have is also an Instamatic, but this one is interesting because it has automatic exposure in this window. So if you look carefully at the back of the camera through the window, you can see the shutter there, and see it's still open, and it should close in a while. See, that's the automatic exposure, and it takes 126 film because it's an Instamatic. Okay, so the next camera we have is a Kodak Brownie 127, yet another one. And the only reason I really got this is because it's so like destroyed. See, there's like a really big hole in there, and the shutter works and the viewfinder's fine. It's not light proof, so if I could get the film for it, then I wouldn't use it. Okay, next we have this, which is a Helloooooooo Super 8 movie camera. It has changeable apertures and a filter. It takes Super 8 movie film cartridges in there, and I don't even know where the record button on this is, so it'd be useful if you could tell me. And there's the battery compartment, and then a sort of exposure guide on there. Next we have this, which is an Exa 1 SLR. Now this camera is interesting because it has a non-instant return mirror. So you see, I haven't wound the film and you can't see through the viewfinder, but I wound the film and you can see through the viewfinder. This is a left-hand one because the shutter's there. Oh, the lens has come off. Yeah, it has interchangeable lenses, and also, quite interesting, interchangeable viewfinders or pentaprisms, so you can take that off as well. Hold on a minute. There we go. And last we have this, which is a Recorda box camera, which I've never ever heard of, and the shutter's just broken. Damn it. And it takes, I'm not even sure what film this thing takes. The only identification I have of it is the word Recorda on the top, and you probably can't see the view through the two viewfinders. But the interesting thing is they're not like normal box brownie viewfinders. They're ground glass, like a twin lens reflex. Hold on a minute, I just need to open it up. So there's the inside. It's interesting because the lens, or the anti-stigmat lens it has, is not actually attached to the camera. It's on the spooling carriage. Hold on a minute. Sorry about this. It's just this camera's very rusty, and yeah. So as you can see, there's the lens, and it's not even a proper lens. It's not, doesn't flip anything upside down like a proper lens, like a lens on, let's say, the X does. That's not upside down either. Something's not right. Maybe it's just, or maybe through the camera it doesn't look upside. Maybe through the digital camera it doesn't look flipped upside down. But I can assure you, in real life, the X's lens would be flipped upside down. So yeah, and there we go, now the shutter's working. So yeah, this box camera could be really rare, for all I know. And when I have the time, I'm going to go in the Margate camera shop and ask about it in there. And if any of you have any idea about the origins of this, do tell me. So, that's it basically. Update video about all the cameras I've bought recently. So yeah, I'm the Camera Crafter, and goodbye.